If anyone happened to be curious, an entire M4 exhaust does fit in the Prius. Barely, but it does. The back hatch is not closed and it is touching the windshield. To show up. Gosh, just kidding. I was like 10 minutes early, so it's totally my fault. Facing directly into the sun. This is where we're meeting. Some guy walked by and said he liked my car. Also said he could smell me from like way over there, and I don't know if he meant like my perfume or if he meant like the car. So yeah. Alright you guys, I am back home. I didn't take a whole lot of videos at the car meet because I was just really trying to like enjoy it. One of the guys that I met today just messaged me. It's funny. A lot of people ask me about my car. It's funny because a lot of people walk straight up to Blake because he has a CTSV and you can see the supercharger. And then they'll like walk up to my car. They're like, oh cool, it's a Mustang. And then they like look and they're like, it's twin turbo? It's your car? I'm like, yes. Yes and yes. So that was really cool. Talked to a handful of people about my car. They really loved it. But yeah, it was a good time. Definitely be doing it again. Hopefully when it gets to the cooler season though, because I was dying. I think I lost like five pounds of water weight. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. What was your favorite car from Cars and Coffee? Even though I don't show you very much, but mine was a C6, so.